today's episode, we're gonna go back to TikTok. And this video that my son shared with me about this young man wanting to do his own orthodontic treatment. Let's see how that goes.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to be trying to fit my own braces. A couple of months ago, my pet meerkat Milo actually broke my retainer, and because we fell out with the orthodontist, I can't get a new one. So I'm actually going to give myself braces again to kind of straighten my teeth back up. I ordered this online.
Yes, sometimes we do have issues with the doctor or clinician or our dentist. Good tip, do find somebody else that you are comfortable and you have chemistry with, instead of going online and becoming one yourself.
Reference so I know where to put the brackets, but obviously my teeth aren't this bad. So first up, I've got the arch wire. I've got some pliers to cut the wire. I've got my elastics.
As you can see from this video, it comes over that somebody designed this smile. Now, orthodontics design smiles. They understand the mechanics, how teeth move, where they should move to. I would not trust this on somebody online on the other side of the world deciding this, because this stuff becomes pretty permanent once you move teeth.
Those are actually not metal ones, which I think is really good. I have a composite bonding kit on the way, but it's not arrived yet, so I'm just going to be using glue liquid. I'll be super careful and don't try this.
I probably don't have to say anything about that.
I'm going to put this in my mouth, open them, dry out my mouth, and then start sticking the brackets on.
For sure you are.
Okay guys, the pressure is on. Oh, it feels...
Okay, there's obviously no guide in this situation as to where to put the bracket. If he puts the bracket slightly tilted or wrong, the tooth is going to move that way. And if you think that there's at least 28 teeth in your mouth that you're going to do this on, the likelihood that he's going to put those on straight is absolutely zero.
Weird to have brackets in my teeth again. Now I'm going to position my wire. Okay guys, so I finished up on my top set, and I don't know if I like them, but I'm going to film my mom's reaction. I'm going to be dead.
Yes, I think. You know, looking at something like this, yeah, it just makes me smile. Now, obviously, I am a dentist, and we do see the need of moving teeth, occlusal problems, cosmetic issues. This is definitely not something that you can do at home. You need expertise for this. It moves, it is permanent. It can totally ruin your young life if you try and do this at home, so please don't get yourself talked into this. Visit your dentist, visit your orthodontist, and let them make the decision the best for your health. That's me signing off. Thank you for watching. If you have any dental related questions or queries and need a no-nonsense, honest opinion, please contact me here and I'll be happy to answer.